Welcome to Big Coast, boating, angling, and adventure on British Columbia's west coast. Subscribe, like, leave a comment below. Dockside Cow Bay, Prince Rupert, British Columbia. I'm Tim Milne, and this is Big Coast. Trolling feisty salmon up Work Channel and Dundas Island. Fishing with kids, priceless.
Big Coast.
British Columbia's north coast. Prince Rupert and Cow Bay in all her morning glory. Big Coast. So awesome to finally get the rig going. Been a long wait while the Bridgeview guys put the boat together, and man, it's an absolute beauty, and I couldn't be happier the way it's turned out. Twin 300s on the back, 10.5 foot beam, almost 15,000 pounds. A true West Coast battleship. An early morning for Dundas Island in the rain. We fished it hard, we left early in the morning, and it was soggy, rain gear all day long. But man, we were hitting coho right away as soon as we dropped in north of Dundas, and it wasn't too long before I hit a good ripping Chinook, ripping fish. It was all over the place and an absolute riot.
Pretty exciting for the first spring to hit that boat to be a tie. I think that just shows right there that it's built to be fishy, and I can't wait to see what else it can do.
Awesome fish.
Unreal day with my son out there. That's what I do it for. Getting out with family, friends, releasing fish. Awesome, a lot of fun.
Awesome day fishing with James McNeice and Kipton out here into a pile of coho, couple nice Chinook, and really gave the new boat a fantastic run. 200th episode of Big Coast too, in the can. Thanks for watching. High fives, boys! Woo-hoo!
All right, buddy.
Thanks for watching Big Coast. Leave a comment, share a story. Be sure to hit the like button and subscribe. Big Coast.